Today, Aniki want to talk about cleaning industry where I have 4 years of working experience. Okay, this type of so-called China-made media brand, this is just a normal type of vacuum cleaner. It totally cannot suck up of all this carpet frills left behind on all this type of decorating purposes floor covering material. Understand? Yeah, I know carpets are very nice in decorative purposes, but for us, the cleaning industry, okay, for vacuum cleaners, all along, the Germany brand is Karcher. Okay, Karcher, the benefit of it is it can uh, be boiled up or to act as a type of germs killer, okay, on the floor. And then let's say this type of green color floor covering decorative purpose where the carpet frills are all falling upon this side again. There is another type of vacuum cleaner, okay, in charge of sucking up all these frills left behind. This type, this is a very common general type of vacuum cleaner. Okay, this type. Okay, this is not this type. This type is just for sucking up all the common 灰尘叫什么？the common 灰尘on in the living room. Understand? It's not for sucking up the carpet material. Carpet are also very expensive decorative material. So there are also those vacuum cleaners which comes with a water boiling function to go and kill the germs. Okay. Because this apartment is renting out. Okay, so I am just stating what I am expertise in. Okay. Anyway, we say win-win situation, right? You pay this amount of rental rates. Of course, the landlord also provide you this type of rental rates, equipment, and living standard. So don't go and be so stupid. Sometimes I think there are a lot of stupid people, especially the Western English ABC speaking Singaporeans who love to go and complain this, complain that, when they are vacationing over here in Johor. I already experienced one with Jing Sheng listing room C. The fucked up bastard, the young Western English ABC speaking young woman in Singapore, very very 我很想给他一个揍钱唾弃他的这个脸蛋真的我没有骗你，我很反感这种该死的那个女的，这第一件的讲这个死英女的新加坡女人的，你以为你是贵族你他妈的什么死贵族我们要叫来伺候你Okay, I tell you what, because I'm just renting until the end of this month. This is a very brand new apartment, really worth renting long term. Really. It's all very new. I have eyes to detect myself. I don't know. Okay, then I'll tell you another expertise with the sofa material because I really worked 4 years for cleaning industry. Indian boss, Mr. Viva Hanade, for 4 years from 29 years. No, wrong. 1997 till 2000. Let's take a look. You look. It's not a sofa. where all the this are this is this is fabric, okay, fabric material, okay. Then there is also the vacuum cleaner, okay, this comes with that function, plus also hot water to boil, okay. Then you can simply just suck up all this thing. You know what? This material, frankly speaking, is very lousy. You know, I'm not. 我不是 criticize 说是 insult because 我们做了4年，我们懂啦，懂吗？它这种 fabric 的你看你自己手摸都知道啊，因为它会 attract 跟我们穿这种 fabric 对比，你人躺下去 ，when you lie upon it, all whatsoever fabric okay, then you stick to this type of fabric again. Understand? It's not the fault of the landlord and also not the fault of the room guests. Okay, it's the fault of the sofa manufacturing industry, okay, which is why the vacuum industry flourishes. 因为是双赢的嘛 ，you manufacture this type of fabric sofa, right? So the vacuum cleaner machinery manufacturing industry, they will come up to invent the suitable types of machinery to solve the problem. Yes, 因为我们有处理过，我做4年，所以我懂。同样的，那到底是不是 worth 我长期租来 maintain 这种 ，OK， 1 month ringgit 2000不是很便宜啊。因为这边还有一个房间OK， 老实讲啦，我跟你讲。不过它还是便宜啦，我没有骗你啊，真的。马币是2000而已嘞，还不便宜啊！它这么宽敞，懂吗？它给你所有的家私还不满意啊！做人就不要整天斤斤计较啊 ，OK？ 整天 complain， 除了新加坡人我跟你讲尤其以为自己读几年的那种洋人的那种思想的教育整天只会 complain 呢。读死书不会解决问题 ，complain， 我没有骗你的，我跟你讲，我住在新加坡44年，我不了解你们新加坡人那种死嘴脸哎呀，好了，我不讲这个了 ，OK。总而言之姐，我今天还要去Johor Immigration Complex to apply permanent resident pass 现在几点？9点25。唉。我是讲因为有时候太有经验了。我不是吹牛啦，因为你有经验嘛，你看到那个问题，但你不是寄养，你懂什么叫寄养吗？你 expertise in whichever field， 但你看到有同样的问题出现，你这样经验丰富，你不觉得你应该去好像善意提醒提点那些年轻后辈？到底怎样解决问题？有事过后你在国外生活你注意去观察那个国家他的年轻人到底是怎样服务你的吗？了解我讲什么吗？我是以金钱跟你兑换你的服务费的好吗？我跟你讲我也是从事服务业的，我不知道什么叫服务业OK 下回见 YouTubers。